Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening TikTok and navigating to Creator Tools, then the AI image generator. You need at least one clear reference photo. Once uploaded, the model uses it to match lighting and composition. Provide a concise prompt and choose an aspect ratio like 16, 9, or 1. 1. Make sure you select a style preset if you want consistency. This step sets constraints the generator follows, so be specific about mood or color palette to reduce trial and error later. Now you craft a precise prompt. List the subject, mood, dominant colors, and materials in 3-7 terms to keep it focused. Then add actionable modifiers like lens type, lighting, golden hour, and depth of field so the generator understands photograph-like cues. You should also lock constraints, background blur, safe crop areas, or where text will go, because once done these guide composition and reduce wasted renders. Iteration works. Tweak one element at a time to isolate effects. You run multiple renders, 3 to 5, so you can compare composition, detail, and color choices side by side. Once you pick a base, use TikTok's in-app editor to remove small artifacts, tweak exposure, or reframe the crop. If results are off, simplify the prompt, swap the reference photo, or clear the app cache and try again. These troubleshooting steps fix mismatched lighting and weird textures. Finally, export at the highest quality and add captions or overlays before posting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.